Hey guys, happy Friday. Today we are going to be trying on some Battington lashes. This is a set of handmade silk Battington lashes. These are in the style Monroe. I actually received these in my BoxyCharm box last month. And these are $28 lashes. So they are made of 100% silk. And the website says they are super lightweight and built to last. You can reuse them up to 25 times. They have about 8 different styles on their website, and I guess Monroe must be one of their most universal styles since that's what went out in the BoxyCharm boxes. So let's go ahead and throw them on and see what they look like. The packaging is definitely beautiful. So to start, I better throw on some mascara. I'm back on Monsieur Big. I actually went out and repurchased the tube, even though I said it was too expensive. I really like this mascara. I've done a whole wear test on it. You can check it up here. Got hair everywhere. Alright, and to apply the lashes, I'm going to be using my Dual Lash Glue. They kind of remind me of the Huda Beauty lashes in that they have that really thick band at the bottom. So if you're using these lashes, unless you're really good at placing them, you probably want to put on some like thicker eyeliner to make it less noticeable. When I wear eyelashes, I tend to be wearing more event makeup, which is what I have on today. That's the heavier eyeliner. And if these lashes aren't symmetrical, they are pretty darn close to being symmetrical on both sides. Alright, let's see if they fit nicely on my eyes. That seems to be okay. I think they're just a little bit long, so I'm just going to give them the tiniest trim. As you can see, the band holds a major curve all by itself, which, if your eye shape is like mine, should make it pretty easy to get it applied. This is what they look like with one lash on and one lash without. They're almost kind of subtle. Up close, you can definitely see what a beautiful effect they give. And they are not cat-eyed at all. They have more of a rounder shape, which should like open up and make your eye a little bit more rounder if you like that look. Alright, and there is both lashes on. Looking up close at them, you can see they have a really nice taper to them, which the only reason I noticed that is because some of the drugstore lashes advertise they have this like tapered tip to them. And it's incredibly noticeable on this set, just very natural looking. They almost look like they fade to brown, they're so natural looking. So, I mean, this might be a pair that you might think about putting mascara on top of. Personally, I never put mascara on top of my false lashes just because I don't think I need it. And I'm not the best at reusing my lashes, so I think it helps me just, you know, keep them living. But I feel like these would get punched up a notch even more if you did apply a mascara. When I first put them on, I could clearly notice some vignetting to my vision, but as I've had them on for a little while, I definitely noticed that less, although they still feel quite heavy on the eye. Mostly, I think, again, because I'm used to those really cheap virtually lashes with no bands, like the Ardell's, like the Kiss. They're so lightweight, so this heavier type of band and lash definitely puts some weight on your lashes. Now these are incredibly short lashes, I want to say, which is not a bad thing, especially if you don't have huge eyes or if you don't have a lot of space between your brows and your eyes. Glasses wearers out there, it's not even a question. Like, these are definitely gonna fit comfortably with your glasses. They are nowhere close to like hitting the glasses. Let me step over to Natural Light and show you what they look like. These lashes are made in China. Battington lashes are out of Colorado, so if you are a Coloradoan, maybe you want to check out this brand. I guess they're local to you. They do have lash starting kits, which have different utensils to help you get your lashes onto your face. which might be good again if you're starting into getting lashes. And it looks to be run by an all-woman team, which is awesome as well. For me, the ease of application is great. The ease of reuse is great. The heaviness is definitely a downside, and the cost is probably the biggest factor on why I wouldn't be crazy to repurchase these lashes. These remind me a lot of the Huda Beauty lashes, so if you've tried those before, they're about the same price and about the same feel as some of those thicker Huda Beauty lashes. So to be honest, I'm not against owning a premium set of lashes that you pull out for special occasions. Personally, I don't think this Monroe style is it for me. I like something more with a winged shape. But I would definitely say if you're into the Huda Beauty lashes, you should probably check out these Battington lashes as well. It was really fun to try out a new brand of lashes with you guys. I love trying on lashes. I try not to wear lashes too much because I think they really take a toll on my natural lashes. But I think lashes is just one of those fun products that you can do that really change your look up and make you feel like you're going the extra mile, kind of drag queen it up a little bit. Ton of fun. My number one tip for beginners wearing lashes is just wear them every day for a week. Like, buy the cheapest set that you can find, wear them for 7 days in a row, whether that means you wear the same pair or a new pair for 7 days if you keep destroying your old pair. I bet by the time that you're out of that week, you are super comfortable putting on lashes. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned something new learning about these Battington lashes with me. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you'd like to see more lash try-ons and beauty videos from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. A huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. If you'd like, you can become a patron for as little as $2 a month, or just help support my channel by sharing these videos with anybody else who might find them helpful. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in Monday's beauty video. Bye-bye. Bye.